egg?
One egg.
What's that? Look over there.
It's on the chair. Right here.
It's from the Easter Bunny.
Look.
What is it?
Guys.
Cards.
Yeah. Shoes. Signs.
Einstein's. Egg.
Open it.
Can we find the other eggs first? Look. Some more candy.
Candy.
Let's eat that there.
Carrot. Carrot.
Carrot.
That's Mom.
It's a carrot?
Yeah.
Hey,
Is it a healthy carrot or is it an unhealthy carrot?
can you get those egg, that egg and put it in here? Now let's find the other eggs.
Purple.
Go get it.
Look at me. Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Got it. No.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah, get this one. You found it right away. Here, I'll get it. Okay.
Purple. Purple. Oh, purple.
Oh, I see some eggs over here.
You see any over here?